Okay, guys, this book is about an amazing place called the Grand Canyon. It is just so amazing. You can see it from space. It's so big. It is a protected area. It's a national park. Okay, and Teddy Roosevelt, was the first president to try and protect the Grand Canyon. We studied Teddy Roosevelt when we talked about presidents. And then the condors are birds that you see all over the Grand Canyon. So I want you to read about those. So the Colorado River made the Grand Canyon through erosion. This might be a tricky word, but if you look at it, it's erosion. Okay, and erosion happens when the water kind of cuts through the earth and the ground is worn away. That's how the Grand Canyon was made. And it has all kinds of different beautiful colors because of the different types of layers of sediment in the Grand Canyon. So depending on how the sun shines, it's just so pretty. So the first people, the Native Americans, they went to the Grand Canyon first. And they actually own part of the land that the Grand Canyon is on. So then in 1869, the first group of Americans took a trip through the Grand Canyon. And so the Grand Canyon is just a really great place to visit because it's a national park and it's very beautiful. And you can just go and you can just sit and you can just look, take lots of pictures. Okay, fun fact, Mrs. Rushoff went out on this glass little viewing place, little scary out there, and you look down and the bottom is glass so you can see all the way down in the canyon. This is just beautiful areas in the Grand Canyon. There's waterfalls and just all kinds of very pretty things. And you can raft on the Grand Canyon, on the Colorado River in the Grand Canyon. I did not do that. But you can just look out on the edges. You should be careful not to fall over. Okay? And there's just all kinds of wildlife to see there. So I hope you enjoyed this book called The Grand Canyon, and make sure that you look at all of the vocabulary words and read all of the captions on the pictures.